Hi, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download an image on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go here to the URL section and just type Google Docs, hit the enter button, that will take you into this page. From that page, click at the first link, make sure it's not an ad or advertisement. You'll notice by an icon here, ad icon. Once you click on it, you'll find yourself here at this page. From that page, you'll be able to log in into your account if you have one by clicking at the sign in option at the top right corner. But if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at the sign up for free to create an account. And once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen. And from here, you'll be able to create a blank document, use some of their provided totally free templates here, or you can just go and open some of recent documents. For me, I'm just going to do that, which is actually here free or empty, sorry. And as we said, we would like to download image on the Google Docs website. So first of all, let me just get an image into this Google Docs because I have no images. Of course, you can, if you click here at insert, you will be able to insert an image. Like you can search on web, upload for computer. Let me just search on web, and as an example, I'm just going to write like koala. I don't know if it's written like this. So yeah, you can just add this image, insert. And now we would like, as we said, to download this image on our Google Docs. So of course, if you click on the image and now click at this first link, you'll be able to see all image options. As you can see, you'll not have any option here to download this image specifically. But what you have to do is simply go select the image, right click on it, go to view more actions and click at save to keep, and you will be good to go. You will even be able to even add notes to it. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.